I have tested literally hundreds of OBD2 scanners, and when it comes to ones that works for your smartphone, so Bluetooth OBD2 scanners, they are a very good deal, especially for DIY mechanics like us, because we want to have that professional functionality, but not everyone is ready to spend 400 or 500 for a scan tool. So this is great compromise because you still can get that professional software for a fraction of the price, since you are not paying for the device itself and you will be using your smartphone. So these are 5 best Bluetooth OBD2 scanners. At number 5 we have cheapest V-Gate iCar Pro 2S. So this is ELM327 adapter, and this will be only 327 adapters on this list. Because I feel like with new OBD2 scanners coming out, especially ones for smartphones, there is no need to buy ELM327 anymore, because if you spend just a little bit more, you can get full system scanner. But if you are working with really tight budget, I would go with V-Gate iCar Pro 2S. This is one of cheaper ELM adapter. It costs about $25 to $30, depends where you buy it. Cheapest is on AliExpress usually. And I will link it in description. Also, all the other tools I will mention, all will be linked in description as well, with link to cheapest store. So V-Gate iCar Pro 2S. Compared to other ELM adapters, it is cheap, but it gets really new ELM version. So it is fast, it is easy to work with, because a lot of ELM adapters you can get some weird connection issues. You are not able to pair it, but with V-Gate iCar Pro it is very simple to use, easy to pair, and you can use it straight out of the box. Now this is only adapter, so you don't get software, but 2 apps I would recommend is Car Scanner Pro, and using this adapter you will be able to read engine data, you can watch live data dashboards, even watch them as you drive in your radio, you can use it to scan fault codes from your car. This Car Scanner app allows you to scan codes from all control modules, not only engine, but honestly scanning all systems is not as good as with other scanners on this list, because you are using free app and sometimes you can get some weird codes that your car doesn't even have. But for engine scanning it is reliable, it will scan your engine fault codes, you can check that engine live data, you can check readiness monitors, you can use different apps. So if you don't want to diagnose your car, you can use maybe Carista app to unlock some hidden features, or basically any app from the hundreds of ELM327 apps that are free to download, whether you have Android or iPhone. There are a lot to choose from. Now at number 4 we have ThinkCar BD6, so this is the second cheapest on this list, also very cheap scanner, works for both Android and iOS, but difference to V-Gate iCar Pro 2S is that with ThinkCar BD6 you are actually getting full system software. So for majority of car brands you will be able to read and clear fault codes in every system, and you can also read live data in every system. So if you want scanner that is also able to check used vehicles, because some cars will use mileage records in different control modules, and with scanner like ThinkCar BD6 you might be able to find proof of odometer rollback when you are checking used vehicle. And this software comes with free lifetime updates, so you will always have these new updates, so you will be able to work even with the newest cars. But it is not bidirectional, and it also doesn't have ECU coding, so you cannot use it to unlock hidden features or disable annoying features you don't want. So if you want scanner with more features, let's go to number 3, and that is ThinkCar ThinkDiag2. Now I have been using this for a long time, for over 3 years, and let me tell you, this ThinkDiag2 is basically same like 3, 4 or 500 scan tool. Of course it is full system, so you can go in every system, read codes, clear codes, you can use service resets, you have 15 service resets you can use. It also supports newest OBD protocols like CAN-FD, so with cars supporting CAN-FD the scan will be a lot faster. It is also bidirectional, so it lets you do bidirectional tests. For example, if you go to engine control module, you can test your engine fan or different relays, your EGR valve, bunch of tests for engine. But then if you go to another module, every module will have different tests. So let's say you go to body control module, you can test stuff like your lights, high beam, low beams, fog lights, turn signals. Every control module will have different tests that is saved in your car basically. And ThinkDiag2 will allow you to use these bidirectional tests. And it also has ECU coding, so this is one of very few Bluetooth OBD2 scanners that will let you change settings in your car, unlock hidden features, and disable annoying functions you don't want, for example like seatbelt warnings. And this is not simple ECU coding, this ECU coding goes really in depth. For example, if I connect it to VAC car, VAC cars has really specific OBD2 system, and you can change features using these long codings and adaptations, basic settings. And even though this ThinkDiag is meant to be for all car brands, for single car brands it also includes this OEM software like this long coding for VAC and other features for other brands. So very sophisticated scanner packed with functionality. It seems perfect basically, however there is a catch, and that is paying for subscription. The ThinkDiag2 subscription is about $100 per year, or then you can buy $400 for lifetime, but I wouldn't recommend that because for that you can actually buy scan tool with free lifetime updates. But when you buy device, you will get 1 year of free updates. So it costs about $150. Cheapest usually is on MyThinker website, and you can use coupon code CARHACKER for extra 10% off. So if you spend, let's say, about $130, $140, you have all this professional functionality for 1 year, and then you can decide if you want to renew, or if you just sell it and buy scan tool with free lifetime updates, so you don't have to keep paying every year. But it is very good pick if you are not sure if you will use scan tool, so you don't want to spend maybe $500 upfront. You can just get ThinkDiag2, which comes with very similar functions, and then you can see how much of them are you actually using and if it makes sense for you to move to more expensive scanner. Now at number 2 we have Xtool A30M. So this is one of oldest Bluetooth bidirectional scanners on the market. It is proven to work, it is very simple to use, and it comes with most service resets on this list. So with Xtool A30M you have 26 service resets. So if you are a home mechanic but you work on newer cars and you do these jobs like brake pads change on newer car that will require using service procedure for unlocking brake calipers, or you want to do some airbag resets, odometer resets, you need a lot of service functions, that this one is for you. And unlike ThinkDiag2, you don't have to pay anything for subscription, but you also get free updates. So for lifetime you can get free update, and it is still bidirectional. Like ThinkDiag2, you can use bidirectional tests in every control module. You can read and clear faults in every module. You can log data, live data graphs. Basically it gets everything like ThinkDiag except ECU coding. So you will not be able to use ECU coding. And now if you are unsure, because ThinkDiag seems great, but you don't want to pay subscription, but you want to have ECU coding, now there can be a solution for you, and that is Muker BT200 Max. So this scanner, by features, it is very similar to Xtool A30. You have only 15 service resets, but then it is full system scanner, it can do bidirectional testing, you even got AI. So AI assistant can help you with diagnosing problems based on your fault codes. And even though this Muker adapter doesn't have ECU coding, it has one very good function, and that is that it works as ELM327 adapter as well. So you can use it like full system scanner, and if you need ECU coding, you can use Carista app. I know it is paid app, but sometimes when you need to do just few codings, you can use 1 month subscription. And using this adapter BT200 Max, you can do your ECU coding, unlock some features, disable features, anything you want for that 1 month, and then you will stop paying for subscription. Or if you don't want to pay any subscriptions, there is a way how to use Carista app. I don't want to tell it here, but if you Google, you will find the way how to use this app without subscription. So yes, and these are my 5 best Bluetooth OBD2 scanners. All of them are linked in description, and then for all of them, except VGate iCar Pro, you can use coupon code CARHACKER and you will get extra 10% discount.